What's up guys? Today we have the 4-wheel drive brushless Octane XL. We're going to do some hill climb bashing fun, and a huge thanks to all of our patrons for keeping this content free for everyone. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Everybody's over there having a good old time at the park today. We just went down a slide and did a swing together. It was crazy fun. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. If you're wondering about Popeye, poor little guy's just not allowed at this park, unfortunately. And this is one of our favorite parks because we have the giant hill to climb. Yes. This is kind of the determining factor of a lot of trucks on our channel, if it gets a thumbs up or a thumbs down, if it can make it up that hill or not. And this Octane XL, being 4-wheel drive and brushless, and one of my favorite style now of RC vehicle, this kind of desert buggy look, I'm very excited and hopeful that it doesn't let me down and it can make it up the hill. We also brought the ramp with us today, so we're going to do some ramping fun along with the bashing and hill climbing, and then we're going to hit the small side of the hill over there and have a really good time with this. Now surprisingly, this went really fast on our speed test, so if you're kind of questioning this and you did not see our speed test, you should absolutely go check that video out. And before we get started, I want to give our patrons one more shout out, because this content on YouTube is free for everyone because of our Patreon support, so big thank you to you guys. We really appreciate it. Okay, now let's get this thing a little less pristine looking and have some fun with it and see how it holds up. Look at the sun bouncing off of this when I drive it. Watch. Looks awesome. Okay, I hate to get this thing dirty, but I also really want to, so let's do it. I'm just gonna go a little slow and see how it can just climb. And it's just conquered it.
Nothing. That was like what, 25% speed?
Yeah. All right, now let's juice it up here. Amelia's cheering for Dad. She says,
no, she says I lost my binky.
Give me the binky and full throttle, Dad. All right, here we go. Kiddo, this is gonna be you one day. Full throttle. Whoa, whoa. I had to hit the brakes like right at the top because I was afraid I was gonna get lost over the back of the hill.
I wonder if people wonder like what's on the other side of the hill.
What is on the other side of the hill? What is over there?
We'll never know.
Dairy Queen or something. That's amazing. I mean, that's not even that root. That root. That root.
Does that mean it's my turn?
No, I did not wreck. Do a little bit of peeling out here. So this thing is faster than we expected. It could probably handle a 3S battery, and it is just, I'm guessing, it's probably going to be my favorite all-around basher ever. 4-wheel drive, able to conquer these hills. We can crawl up this hill if we want to. Let's do that. Actually, Abby, what I'm going to do is go up the hill with the camera, and you crawl up the hill for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to let Abby drive my truck. This thing is awesome for $200, little under $200. Look at this thing go. You can just crawl. Performance of this is so good. Oh, a little more throttle, a little more. There you go. You got it. That's amazing. That's amazing. You want to do one more time? Okay. See, it's fun. You don't want to give the controls up, do you? I bet we could climb over some of these roots too, because there's some clearance. I love how this thing looks. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Slipping a little, but it made it right up. And you were just like 10th throttle, right? Like that's amazing. Wow, wow. Yeah. Woo! Wow. All right, I'm back down off the hill. Too dusty up there. This thing is just kicking it up. I mean, it just conquers this hill. This is like, I'm pretty sure someone in China watched our video and said, we're gonna make the perfect vehicle for the RC Sailor hill. And this is it. I mean, this is it. It is not hesitating at all. Look at that. You just ramped over the root that usually destroys all RCs. Do that again. No, the trees. Oh no. Hey. Either you get it or it's my turn. Okay.
I think the wheels of this tire are going to be wider than this ramp. Oh, it did it. My ramp. Oh, it did it. Wow. That was good. Let's go. I like that. That was good. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Whoa! It landed on its feet! Yep, sit on an hill. Oh, woo! Let's go, let's go. Woo! Whoa! It landed on its feet! Did you break it? Oh, that was so good! What's the damage, you vehicle destroyer, you?
It's really sad because I really like this truck. And
You do.
listen, I'll show you. Okay, I'm embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed.
So,
More sad though.
I want you guys to understand something really quick before I show you this. This is our channel. When it comes to stuff, if we hate it, we tell you. If we love it, we tell you. If we love it and it breaks, we tell you. This is sad because I love this thing. I just told you this is like my favorite. It was conquering the hill. I shouldn't have ramped it. I don't know. Maybe it shouldn't have broke.
Maybe you shouldn't just not drive RC vehicles and leave it up to me.
This is where it broke.
What'd you do?
Right here, this disconnected and it actually snapped. See that little?
Yeah.
You should be able to see that pretty well.
Yeah.
So that little ring broke. I might try to see if they have spare part availability. Maybe I can find a spare part like this from another vehicle and maybe get 2 of them and just replace them both. A metal version of this would be nice.
That's like the last piece I expected to break. Like I thought like an arm into the wheel would bust or a shock would bust, but not that. That's random.
Listen, I am really happy with this truck, and yeah, that broke and it shouldn't have, because that's not super durable. I mean, look, I can still drive it as is, but yes, that part's gonna fall out if I hit something hard again. Okay, like I could
Climb the hill again.
I could do this. I could do the rest of this video and pretend like this never happened. Okay,
but we tell you guys.
But that's not us. We're gonna tell you. So can I still crawl with it? Can I still do like mediocre hill climbing and stuff?
Yes, until it falls off.
Can I go full throttle and smash things and ramp them really hard right now? No. So I got to come up with a fix for this. There, it just fell off again.
Aww.
I love this thing. I'm so sad.
She's sad too.
I highly recommend it. And here's another thing. If someone does find the part, I'll do another follow-up video on this.
Yay.
Because I love this truck and I really think it deserves more time. So this is a rare case where usually if something breaks, I say, I broke it. Just don't buy it. I really, really like this. It was performing so well. So we'll have the truck linked in the description box below. When I got mine, when we were shopping for it, it was sold out. And so it was on back order, and I was lucky enough to get one. And I think it might be sold out again for good reason. That's it though. That's the video. I'm so sad because this is so like it's awkward.
Just go cry. Bye.
Yeah, I know. I love this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Seriously, I mentioned it a couple times earlier. We could not do this content and keep it free for everyone without our Patreon support. So if you want to join that Patreon family, it'll be linked in the description box below. Get some RCSaylors stickers, support us that way, and slap a few cool stickers on your RCs. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.